Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make an animation in Scratch 3. So the first step, always the first step is to install Scratch 3. Now when you're done with that, let's get started by choosing a Scratch. Now don't start off with the cat Scratch or the Scratch that comes first. So the most easiest sprite to basically turn into an animation is the parrot, right? So let me just type in it. So as you can see, here is the parrot. So when you click on it, the sprite will show up. Now put it all the way to the end. Done. Now what you have to do is basically go on to events. Now you might see you have a when green arrow clicked. I call it green arrow. You can also call it green flag, but I call it green arrow. So click that, put it all the way on the top, and after that, go on to looks. Now you might see a next costume file. What does that mean? That if you go on to costumes, see, you will see there are two pictures. First picture is the normal one. Second one is that the bird is basically flying up. So we're going to make an animation of the bird flying like this. So just choose the first one only, go back to it and choose next costume and attach it with the when arrow clicked. After that, go on to control. You will might see a repeat block. So attach the repeat block something like this. So boom. Now it should look something like this. Now if you click the green arrow flag or green arrow flag, whatever, then this will happen. Do you see the bird? It is flapping so hard. So to correct that problem, you will choose the wait for 1 second block. Put it under the next costume file and this will happen. Now it is went like super slow. So now it's not flapping super fast. Now what you have to do is with this bird, go back to motion. When you go back to motion, choose the move 10 steps file or block. When that done, click the arrow button or the green flag button, and then it will start to move forward. To make this even more faster, what you have to basically do is go on the wait 1 second, delete that and write in 0.0. What will happen if you click it again? This will happen. Did you saw how much fast it went forward? So now drag it all the way back, and if you put it on 0.0, take the steps to 20. So 20, and over here it says repeat 10 times. Put that setting also to 20. So when that is done, it will look something like this. So yeah. Now, just to make sure, when you're done with this animation, you can go to backdrops and then choose a backdrop. So now it's a parrot or a bird. So I'm just going to type in forest. Now this will appear, and then just click on the green flag and yeah, so on. Now this happens in every type of sprite that is there. I can just choose another sprite, but let's try out a basketball. So for example, a basketball, right? Let me go and win. So click that and that and that. and so on, that you can basically add a bunch of characters to your animation. So see, as you can see, let's just do this, put the basketball in the belly, and yeah, so that is how you make animation in your Scratch 3 app. Now, if you are a full-time beginner, I will highly recommend to watching a animate a name tutorial. Animator name tutorial. So this is the tutorial, animator name tutorial. This tutorial is one of the most easiest tutorial if you're a beginner. So yeah, if you want more Scratch 3 tips or how to even make a game, then well, then just comment. So I guess it's time to let go. So bye bye.